Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be designing this birthday flyer in PixelLab. So let's dive into the video. Alright, so we're going to reduce the size. Okay, so it serves as a reference. You're going to position it somewhere here. Yeah, the size for this design is 1080 by 1350. Alright, so we're going to import our background, okay, from our gallery. So this is our background. We lock our layer. We click on the plus icon again from gallery. Alright, so increase the size, something like this. You position it here. We get over to opacity, then we are going to reduce opacity. Okay, to let's say 20. We lock our layer as well. We click on the plus icon, a shape rather. So we head over to the gradient side. So we're going to pick a default gradient from here. Alright, so you can see we have two sliders over here. So we're going to pick this first slider. We'll click on this color drop. We move to transparent side, okay. Then we click on this second slider over here. We click on this color drop. Then we move the second slider to the dark side. Okay, so we've changed the color to black, okay. So after we move this one a bit. Alright, so we press OK. Let's position it somewhere here. Click on a check mark, then we lock our layer. We click on a plus icon from gallery. We import our first image. Let's crop the image a bit. Alright, we're gonna position it somewhere here. We send it under this, okay. We lock our layer. Let's import our second image. We're gonna crop it as well. Reduce the size a bit. Alright, go to the layer side. We send it under this and we lock our layer. Alright, we're going to import our third image. We are going over to the layer side. We're going to send it under this particular image. We lock our layer. Alright, so we're going to draw these lines over here. Yeah, so we're going to head over to, we're going to use the Pixel tool for this particular. Let me unlock this one. We are going to draw or use the Pixel tool to create these lines. Yeah, these lines over here on the image. Okay, so let's just reduce the size and let me show you how I went about this particular. Alright, yeah, so we click on our Pixel tool. We just increase the size to 11. We're going to change the color to gradient, this gradient color. make sure we select this bizarre mode. Okay, then remove it here. These points are anchor points. Okay, yeah, so I will just, because of time, I just want to show you how I achieved it. Then I'll not complete it. I'll import the ones I already did. I already did in PixelLab earlier. Okay, so after you just select this mode to add another point. Okay, you add another point, you add another point over here. So when you come here, actions, you have to close the shape. Okay, so you click on this one to close the shape. After you send it to the bizarre mode again. Okay, yeah, then you set it, you set your shape. All right, so I'm just showing you how I achieved the shape. Okay, yeah, this is how I achieved the shape. Okay, so I'll just import the ones that I already did earlier in PixelLab. Okay, yeah, so I'll just click on the plus icon from gallery. I'll just import this shape. Okay, then head over to relative size, increase it to 100%. All right, yeah, so go to the layer side, you click and drag. Let's select this particular image. Then we head over to the mask. We enable our mask. I just want the image to be in line, to be on, as if it's inside the shape. Okay, all right, so let's this be on top of the image. Yeah, something like this is okay. Let's lock our layer. It's already locked. Okay, so we import the other one as well, this one, and we head over to relative size and we increase the size, something like this. Okay, it's the same method that I show you for the first one that I did. Okay, yeah, all right, so let me make a duplicate of this particular shape or this particular image. All right, so I just want to be like it's on under the image like this. Okay, yeah, so I will just crop some part of the image. Let me just clear some part of the image. All right, yeah, so I'll just lock the image as well. Let me select both the image and I'll push it a bit. All right, yeah, I think this is okay. So I'll click on this plus icon. I'll go for test. I will just position it somewhere here and head over to edit. Go to my clipboard and I'll paste this particular text over here. I'll just reduce the size. Then I'll just position it here. I'll head over to color. I'm going to use this gradient color over here. Let's just reduce the size more. Let me go to the size and reduce it from here. All right. click on the plus icon again, go for test. I'll just position it here. Head over to edit, then type Moses. Okay. I'll head over to font. I'll select this particular font. Okay. Yeah. Just position it here. Just increase the size. Let me select this too, then bring it down. All right. Let me change the color as well to this gradient color over here. I'll then make a duplicate of this Moses over here. Head over to color and change it to white. Then reduce the size and position it here. Head over to edit. Then type Olamide Moses. Okay. And make sure use position to position it well. Okay. All right. So I'll click on this plus icon. Go for a shape. Reduce the size and I'll just position it here. Head over to opacity, reduce opacity. I'll just increase stroke. Okay, let's increase it to, let's say 8. And I will just change the stroke width or the stroke color to this particular gradient. I think, let me reduce it to 5. Yeah, okay. So after, I will head over to this mask, then enable my mask. I just want to clear some parts of this shape. Okay, yeah, there's my check mark. Click on this plus icon, go for test. Position it here. Go to edit. Then I'll paste this test over here. Just go to size, then reduce the size. Head over to line spacing and reduce line spacing. The 3, let's reduce the size more. Go to position and you position it here. All right. So I'll click on this plus icon again. Go for test. Click on this plus icon. Reduce the size. Head over to spacing, then increase spacing to 4%. Okay. Just head over to size, and we're going to reduce the size. Let's use productive position to make sure it is centered. All right. So we click on this plus icon again. Go for test. Rotate it a bit. Use a size and head over to background. Enable your background. I'm going to select this blue color. You increase your right paddle a bit. And you increase your left paddle to a bit. After I head over to radius, then reduce the radius. All right. After you make a duplicate and you position it here, you head over to edit, long life. You head over to background, then we're going to change the color to this this orange color. Make a duplicate again, then position it here. Go to edit, prosperity, then you head over to background, then change the color to this pink color over here. All right, so head over to the layer side. We're going to select all these three, then reduce size. All right, so we click on this plus icon, go for draw. Okay, we just increase our pen size to, let's say, 50. So we're going to select this yellow color. We're going to draw something here. Okay, so we press our check mark. We're going to rotate it like this. Increase the size. Then we're going to position it here. Go to the layer side. We're going to send it under the image. All right, so we lock our layer. All right, so let's click on the plus icon again. Go for a shape. Increase the radius so that it turns to a circle. I'm going to change the color to this red color over here. So we're going to position it here. Then we click on this plus icon, go for text. We head over to edit. Then I'll just position this one over here. I'll just head over to curve. I'll just curve the text like this. Then head over to size, then reduce the size. Use position to position it well. All right. We make another duplicate of this text. Position it here. Go to rotate. Then we are going to rotate this. And use position to make sure we position it okay. We click on the plus icon, go for text, position it here, click on edit. It's 22nd August. Okay, we use position to make sure if position it under or on the shape. Okay, then we head over to font. Let's use this Montserrat wood. Okay, Mont bold. All right, so let's change the color to this particular gradient color over here. It's left with one last one. We click on this plus icon from gallery. Just import this one as well. Head over to relative size, increase the size. Let's go to eraser. We are going to erase some. Going to erase this one, this one, this one, and this one as well. We head over to the layer side. Send it under the images. Okay. Okay, so let's reduce the size a bit. Okay, let's maintain it at 50. Yeah, so let me just hide this one. All right, so this is how you design this birthday flyer in PixelLab. Thanks for watching, and watch out for my next video.